This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies easy no oven. You might be surprised at how simple it is to create delicious, fudgy brownies right in your kitchen without ever turning on a traditional oven. We'll explore a few different methods that are perfect for anyone, whether you're in a dorm, a small apartment, or just want a quick treat. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth with these incredibly easy recipes. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by melting your butter and chocolate together gently. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients. Finally, combine everything, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Now for the fun part, cooking without an oven. One popular method is using a microwave. For individual servings, a mug brownie is perfect, cooking in about 1 minute. For a larger batch, you can steam your brownies on the stovetop. Simply place your pan in a larger pot with some water, cover, and let it steam. A pressure cooker or instant pot also works wonderfully, offering a consistent heat for perfectly moist results. Once your brownies are cooked, the hardest part is waiting for them to cool. Patience is key for clean cuts and the best texture. You can enjoy them plain, or get creative with toppings like a simple chocolate ganache, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. These no-oven brownies are incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.